double name. My eyes see your face, searching for a straight to spell.
Hello everyone, my name is Riwinata. Today I'm going to present about Medis name Sanadril. Brand of Medis Sanadril. Name of Medis Chalk Medis. Description: not recommended for cough with phlegm. Do not exceed the recommended dose. Be careful for double and hypoxia severe. Content and amount 60 ml. Usage and usage: relieve symptoms of cough without phlegm that cause pain or cough due to allergies. Direction: the usage on the right. For Caledrin 6 to 12 years, 5 ml 3 to 4 times a day. For adults, 10 ml in 3 to 4 a day, according to doctor's instructions. Directions to store at a temperature below 30 degrees Celsius. Expiration date 5 December 2002.